Sure there's no fish on there? Nice guys, we just caught a cod straight off the beach. Hey guys, what's going on? Twisted Energy here. I'm back down at Trinity Park today. Yeah, so we got pillies and prawns for bait. So hopefully we can get some, guys. Shouldn't take too long. Yeah, we're getting lots of bites, so I'll bring you back when we get some decent, guys. Hopefully we get a shark. Sure there's no fish on there? Alright, so we thought we had a fish, but it looks like Lucas caught a stick. That's classic, man. Yeah, turns out it's just a stick, guys. We'll fish for about another half hour. If we don't get anything here, we're going to head over to that river. We'll see how we go. Sit that there. Nice guys, we just caught a cod straight off the beach.
We didn't fight real hard either.
Check that out guys, nice cod straight off the beach, so we're off to a good start. So I'll be taking this guy home for sure. There'll be beautiful fillets on the side of that.
Wash him out and chuck him in the esky, eh?
So we'll tap this guy on the head and keep fishing guys.
Look at the size of that mouth.
That was.
If you only knew the power, it is your destiny.
Look like that one, man. That's anyone I can think it could be. Yeah. Yeah, it must be one of them hiking groups. Yeah. Do you come here much? Nah. Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, same with us pretty much. We got a big cod before. Nice cod. Yeah. Yeah, it's good good if you had a boat. Be a lot easier. Alright guys, we're going to move along now. We've been here for probably 3.5, 4 hours now. We've only got that one cod so far, so we're going to pack up and head home now. See he's back at the house. Let's get this fish cooked up. Get some. Get it. Blue Water Bar and Grill. So it's a bar, eh? This is tricky because this fish is supposed to fall apart, so I'm trying to keep it in one piece, which is not easy. You don't want any? You don't want any? Okay, no sauce for Ella. It's pretty mint. Yeah, don't be naughty on your phone, no. Alright, let's try this. That's amazing. Yummy, baby. You should eat them.
So we have
Definitely the best fish yet, guys. If you've enjoyed hanging out today, smash the like button for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Till next time.
What I thought. Stop.
Was it yummy? You didn't even eat any fish, Elder. You have some fishy.